Morning everyone, welcome to episode 2 of Holden HT Monaro build. What we're going to be doing today is installing sound deadening, and I'm going to be using a product called Car Builders, Australian made product. Comes in boxes, 500 by 300 sheets, 12 sheets in each box. It's a butyl product, which means it's that rubbery and it just sticks on. It's got an aluminium backing, and it just contours and bends into shape. So you just use the roller to roll it in. We use the end of the roller there to get into the corners or whatever you're going to do. Cut it with the old Stanley trimmer, trims into shape easily, or a pair of scissors. After you're done the job, just seal the seams with gaffer tape, so if you're climbing in and out of the car you don't get it all over your clothing. The other product I'm going to use, I'm not going to do it today though, is the acoustic liner. This is the stage 2 by Car Builders. The idea behind the acoustic is it replaces the carpet underlay, that the old carpet underlay that they had, furniture removalist type blanket. This is waterproof, and it just peels off and sticks down. And the reason I'm not doing that today is because it's a bit softer, so we're going to be climbing in and out of the car a lot, so I don't want to damage it. So we're just going to I'll just bloody put the stage 1 down for now, and that other stuff's pretty easy. So this is the time consuming bit. Before you do it, you've got to wipe the area down with wax and grease remover. Make sure you get a nice sticky surface. So that's from Kmart, from Bunnings I mean. And we're going to get in here and get started. Righto. So first job is wipe the surface down with the old Digger's wax and grease remover. I don't know how far up I'm going to go, probably just around here I reckon. So, just trim that up out of the way. Fits in there perfectly, doesn't it? Trim it up before you lay it. That's about there. And this one. pull the backing off. I want to try and get this stuff, a sheet inside the doors, inside the sheet or two on the roof, and in the rear quarter panels too. Just get the cracks like that. In the floor contours. Like the doors are noise in it. Give it a bit of a spray and see if it keeps it up. Right into the seams here. Right in there. This for the rear brakes, and this up here is a sneaky little line locker, don't tell anyone, for the rear brakes. Just in case you need to fry the tyres. There you go. Pretty much how it goes in. Alright, I'll keep going. I think what I'm going to do is I'll just get a couple of little nuts and bolts and I'll just sit them in here, just like that. So when I go and put the sheet on it, I'll be able to feel where they are because these are the seatbelt bolts. So it'll just make it easier so I can trim them out, make sure I don't miss any of those holes, but so far it's coming on pretty well. That's 3 sheets, went down real easy. I'll keep boxing on with it. Coming along pretty well, this goes down pretty easy. So I have to go right up to the up the top up there. Put a sheet in each quarter in the back there. Another sheet inside there. Just got the front passenger's floor and the transmission tunnel to go. I'll put a couple up on the roof, and also in the inside the door there. But we've got one more sheet left, and to do all that it's taken 2 boxes, so I reckon I'll have a little bit left over, or enough at least to do the roof what I wanted to do, so the coverage is pretty good. Start the passenger side on the front now. Give it a wipe down. This here is for the wiring harness to go into the engine bay through a bung, obviously. Good progress there. Just a little bit to do on the drive side, but the rest of it's just about done, and maybe just a bit up on the firewall. Pretty happy with that's come along. Like I say, I don't think I'll do that. There's probably no need. Just got that little bit there to do. And inside the doors as well, and up on the roof. So I'll finish that first, and then see what's left over to do the roof and the doors. Okay guys, well pretty much finished, I think. Call it a finished deal. Pretty happy with the way it turned out, so I'll give us a bit of a look. I've still got to do inside the two doors, and on the roof I've got 4 sheets left. I'm going to have a look. It took about a day to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll put one sheet in each door and 2 on the roof, I reckon. And then I'll just about do it. Pretty happy with that. Excellent. Well, that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Alright, put this in the door. I found put it in there first, and then take the paper off after. Seems to be the trick. I'm thinking I'll just put this straight on like that. Just like that, I think. Just one on the door. I've only got 4 sheets left, so I'll just get the roller. Again, just to stop the resonating. So, you can see down here. Try it on the other side. Definitely a bit of a noise difference there. Righto, the job is finally done, so put a couple up on the roof there. just two. I probably would have put a third one, but I didn't have one, so you've got one in each door. And I think that's going to do the job. Thanks for watching. Next video, actually I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I might put the badges on it or have a look at the bumpers or something like that. Anyway, stay tuned, and if you could hit like and especially subscribe, that'd be great. Be good for the channel if you can hit the subscribe button. That'd be great. Well, thanks everybody. Catch you next time.